Ahead of the railway's official opening on March 15th, heavy machines make some finishing touches to this train station. Trains already run on these freshly laid tracks, although at the moment those are just the trial runs of the German railway's test train, which is needed for the railway's EU certification. And of course, the new train's drivers are familiarizing themselves with the new tracks. After the official opening ceremony, these new trains will travel 75 kilometers from Belgrade to Novi Sad in 35 minutes. This is just a small stretch of railway in Serbia. Overall, it won't make a dramatic change to the country's infrastructure. Yet it is significant because it is the first step, the successful beginning of a large project which would make Serbia a modern 21st century transportation hub within Southeast Europe. Serbia's goal is to have this type of high-speed railway stretching from the country's southern to the northern border with the EU.
Mi ćemo odmah posle toga krećemo ubrzano izgradnju i do 2024. godine završit ćemo Novi Sad Subotica. Negde u isto vreme Mađari će da završe svoju deonicu od 153 km i onda ćemo imati put do Budimpešte kojim ćemo, dakle, Beograd, Budimpešta za 2 sata i 45 minuta.
Together with Russian railways, China Railway International and China Communications Construction Company played a crucial role in constructing this part of the railway. China's loans mainly financed the entire high-speed railway from Belgrade to the Hungarian border.
U svakom slučaju, veoma sam zadovoljan, veoma srećan zbog izuzetno uspešne saradnje koju imamo sa Narodnom Republikom Kinom. Uvek zahvalan našem prijatelju Xi Jinpingu zbog svega što je učinio i za Smederevo, i za Bor, i za celu našu zemlju, i zbog toga što su kineske kompanije veoma pouzdan partner Srbiji.
Serbia is one of the leaders in Southeast Europe with its infrastructure projects, building hundreds of kilometers of new highways, railways, and new airports. Many of those projects are happening with help from China. Serbia hopes that all of these can help the country maintain its status as the most important transportation hub of this part of Europe.